In God we trust, and all others must bring data. Now, that's a timeless quote from statistician W. Edwards Deming, and it captures the essence of today's episode. And welcome to Affiliate Marketing, the podcast where we dig deep into the strategies that help you work smarter and not harder in building your affiliate income streams. And today, we're cutting through the noise of guesswork with one of the most powerful tools at your disposal, A and B testing. Now, here's a stat to ground us. According to HubSpot 2024, in their state of marketing report, companies that regularly run A/B tests on their campaigns see conversion rates improve by 20%, or even more to those who don't run those tests. Now that's a massive edge, and one you can't afford to not ignore. Hi, I'm Richard Fontenay, and I'm glad that you've been able to join us today. And if you ever wondered, what should I test? What really moves the needle? How can I know if my campaigns are optimized? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore 5 A/B testing areas. Test your headlines, test your call to action, test email subject lines and open rates, test landing page layouts, and then I will provide you with a bonus test, and hang in there. You won't be disappointed. Now, we'll also provide you with a quick checklist that you can use after today's episode. So, let's get started. Number 1, test your headlines. Now, your headline is the first and sometimes only thing that people will read because it determines whether they're going to click, scroll past, or close the page. Testing different variations can reveal what resonates most with your client base. For example, let's say you're promoting a fitness program, and a headline like "Lose weight in 30 days" might get some clicks, but testing against something more specific like "Burn belly fat with this 20-minute daily routine" could double your conversation or your conversion rates because it speaks directly to a pain point. And here's a pro tip. Start with a bold, benefit-driven headline and test emotional versus practical angles. You may find your audience responds more to one style than to another one. And number 2, test your call to action, or your CTA. The words, color, and placement of your CTA buttons can drastically affect click-through rates. So don't assume "buy now always wins," and sometimes a softer phrase like "start your free trial" works better. And here's a real-life example. An affiliate promoting a software tool tested "sign up today" against "claim your free 14-day trial." Now, the second version boosted up his response rate by 34%, and that is a significant thing for him. Now, here's something you can do today. You can always test at least 2 CTAs variations per campaign and test the text. Use the button size and the color and the placements. And number 3, test email subject lines and open rates. And if you're running email campaigns for your favorite offers, the subject line is everything. And if people don't open up nothing else, and if they don't open up anything else, it doesn't really matter. One marketer promoting a travel affiliate program tested cheap flights to Europe against Discover Europe for Less. And that second subject line improved rates by 22%. So small wording tweaks can lead to big wins. Now here's a quick tip. Shorter subject lines often perform better on mobile, so test length as well as wording. Before we continue, did you know that we offer 3 podcasts a week? On our Fontenay Magazine YouTube channel, on Mondays we present Speaking from the Heart. That's a Christian-based podcast based on universal values. And on Wednesdays we showcase Coaching Talks, a personal and professional development podcast. And on this channel, on Fridays, we focus our attention on affiliate marketing. Also, please visit us at our FM e-learning Fontenay Magazine. All our links are provided in the description below. Now let's get back to the podcast. And number 4, test landing layouts or landing page layouts. Sometimes the biggest gains come from testing the overall look and feel of your landing pages. Does a video convert better than a static image? Does a 2-step form beat a 1-step form? Take an affiliate promoting an online course as an example. Their initial landing page was text-heavy with multiple calls to action. And after testing a simpler page with one video, one headline, and a single call to action, conversion rates increased by a whopping 41%. Now here's the key takeaway on this scenario. Less is often more. So get rid of the clutter, focus on what you need to focus on, and visitors will respond. And at number 5, this is your bonus test. Test pricing, anchors, and bonuses. Even if you don't control the core product price, you can often influence perception by testing bonuses by the way you frame the offer. For example, affiliate offered a free downloadable checklist for anyone who bought through their link. And testing that bonus against a free mini course showed the mini course outperformed the checklist by 19%. People perceived more value. Now here's a quick checklist on A and B testing for affiliate marketers, and you can use after today's episode. You can test headlines for clarity, emotion, and benefit. Test CTAs, words and colors and placement. Test email subject lines for open rates. Test landing page layouts, images versus video, simple versus detail. Test bonuses or incentives tied to your affiliate link. Run tests along enough to get statistically valid data. And test only one variable at a time for clean results. And now it's time to conclude this podcast. And I suggest a way to move forward this way. The bottom line is this. A/B testing removes the guesswork. And so instead of hoping your campaigns will perform, you will know exactly what works, and you'll have an idea and the data to back it all up. Now, if you're serious about scaling your affiliate income, Stop running campaigns on instinct alone. Start testing today, even with small experiments. And over time, the results compound into a massive return on investment. Now, thanks for tuning in to Affiliate Marketing Secrets. If you found today's episode valuable, please subscribe, leave a review, and share this podcast with others who they just might want to take out the guesswork from what they're doing. And don't miss next week's episode, Common Mistakes Beginners Make in Affiliate Marketing. You'll want to hear this one, so because you could save some time, some money, and certainly some interest. I'm Richard Fontenay, signing off. See you next Friday, if not before. Bye now.